Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question that a lot of you have been asking: can I use Zelle on Novo? Now, I know that Zelle is a really popular way to send and receive money, so it's understandable that you would want to use it with your Novo account. However, as of right now, Zelle is not supported by Novo. This means that you won't be able to add Zelle as a payment method to your Novo account, and you won't be able to use Zelle to send or receive money through your Novo account. So, what are your options? Well, there are a few things you can do. You can use another payment method to send or receive money through Novo. There are a number of other payment methods that Novo supports, such as bank transfers, debit cards, and credit cards. You can use Zelle with another bank account. If you have another bank account that supports Zelle, you can use that account to send or receive money through Zelle. You can wait until Novo adds support for Zelle. Novo is a relatively new bank, so it's possible that they will add support for Zelle in the future. In the meantime, I would recommend using one of the other payment methods that Novo supports. This way, you can still use your Novo account to send and receive money, even if you can't use Zelle. I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I hope this is what you were looking for. Let me know if you have any other questions.